Hi guys, Chox here, and welcome back to my channel for today's video. We are making a YouTube play button. 2. I did this a couple of winters ago out in the yard. I made a great big huge snow play button. Today, we are going to add a YouTube play button to the fairy garden. Let's have a look. So, what has inspired me for this garden crafting project is the shape of this rock. I've got other rocks around the fairy garden that have been painted. And this one just inspired me to be a YouTube play button. So let's do it up. I had somebody ask me the other day if I had a YouTube play button. This one will be a permanent one in the fairy garden. So I'm going to use masking tape and then red sparkly spray paint and silver sparkly spray paint. I'm going to go move this to the spray paint bed over there, and then I'll bring you along for the next part. Okay, so I've moved the rock over here because this is where I do spray painting and get chased away by bees. But I'm going to make a triangle shape, roughly the size of the one I need to make the center of the YouTube play button. Bee, go away, I'm not a flower. I am not a delicate flower. I am a delicate flower. Bee, go away, alright? Thanks. Buddy, I'm trying to shoot a video here. You're being very intrusive. So I guess I'm trying to go for like the middle part here for this triangle. See how this looks, like size comparison stuff. That's a good shape there. So there's the back and the sides. Okay. That looks pretty good, I think. What do you think? Yeah, that looks good. Right now I'm just going to work on the middle part because it's lighter, right? And I know this rock has beautiful layers in it. But if I want to see the layers, I can always flip it over again. I also have a little respirator protection so I don't get injured from the spray paint. Alright, so I got this on sale. I'm just going to spray in the middle there. That's pretty heavy. Now I have to let this dry. Alright, so that dried really quickly because it's like 20 degrees out here right now. So I'm just going to take the masking tape off of this and see how it looks. Get eaten by mosquitoes. Oh, that's fantastic! That looks superb! Now, what I want to do is cover those lines up to keep them nice and sharp, and then spray paint the rest of it red. Oh, maybe I should get scissors so I can precision this. There we go. Very, very pointy right there. So I'll put that on the corner. There's a good corner. There's a straight line. So scissors. Scissors is another good idea to have with you. You don't want it to go over your little... where you want the design to be, right? So there we go. I want to keep this covered because I don't want red on it. Straight line there. Oh, it's a little bumpy. Alright. So this should be okay. Oh, we need a chunk in the middle there. So there, I think we have it pretty much covered up. Got some good lines going on there. Yep. Okay, so that's all covered up. I'm just going to use my spray paint. This is red. And I'm going to spray the whole rock all the way around. And hopefully that tape on the triangle will keep it clean. Alright, that looks pretty spray painted, so I'm going to leave that to dry. Hopefully it'll dry in 20 minutes or so, and I'll bring you back out to have a look. Okay, so here we are. I think it's had enough time to dry. Lift this paint, or lift the... Yay! Look at that! Oh man, that looks so awesome. I love my YouTube play button. Yay, look at how easy that was. Let's go stick this back in the fairy garden. This thing is heavy. Ah! Oh, and it smells like paint. There we go. All right, you guys, there we go. My second YouTube play button. I'm going to sit this in the yard and then we'll have a look. Well, there it is on the ground. That play button looks so good. And there it is in the garden circle. We've got the play button, we've got the keys, we've got the little dragonfly thing. This is turning out to be quite interesting. Look, right there. There it is. There it is. Alright, you guys, that's it for me. And thank you so much for hanging out here with me on the channel. Doing spray paint garden crafting. Please feel free to click one of these boxes hanging out around my head and it'll take you to other YouTube suggested videos or whatever on my channel. Thanks so much for hanging out for me. Oh, thanks so much for hanging out with me. And make sure you click that notification bell because I may go live every now and again. Seems to be the trending thing. Alright, I hope your day is great and I'll see you next time on the channel.